Right, well, hello everyone. We're back here again at the Shell in Rayleigh, and we're back with the group. There's some extra people here, but
hello, motherfucker.
Oh, there's Mr. Will.
I've got music going and all.
Oh, have you? I'm
listening to that fucking Le Mort Toujours, you know, the New Europe fucking theme music everyone's going on about.
I'd probably recognise it if I heard it. Oh,
yeah, that one.
Is it not possible for us to Bluetooth together and then one of us to Bluetooth to the Cardos and we be voting with them?
It is, but you can only Bluetooth from a Senna to a Cardo one-to-one, so we can only talk to one of them one at a time. It's a pain in the arse.
Really?
You've got to connect it like the OG Bluetooth ones.
Oh. Fucking dog.
Fuck's sake. Might be able to cheese the system before I pass them all.
I always get nervous when I see a car wanting to change lane when we filter. It's just like, have they seen me today?
Yep. Let's be an asshole! Back it. Going.
Fuck network rail.
I'm not too sure about filtering down this bit though.
Fucking trousers keep riding back up to the top of my boots. They never used to do that.
Weird.
They're not keeping me feet warm.
Come on in, you fucking Swift, get out of the way. I don't trust this back tyre, so I'm not going to overtake it yet. Because I don't want to crank it over on this corner.
Nah, that was.
Oh, you bastard!
Oh,
Come on, Swifty, move! Get right up the Volvo's arse so I can overtake the Perrier.
you should make sure that ain't an undercover cop.
Yeah, I'm a bit worried about that, but I don't think they are.
You know.
Yeah, I'm looking at the back. It looks a bit too dirty to be under, because they're normally immaculately clean, aren't they?
Suppose there's that.
And there's no cage. That's the other thing. Fuck it.
Yes, officer, our activities are perfectly road legal.
They're only legal when the police aren't there. Remember that?
Exactly. My fucking right mirror keeps moving. I think it's getting more and more loose. Oh, hello. It's Jay! This is weird, that building's gone. I'm just waiting to see what everyone else does and then I'll move.
Yeah, I'll go around pont next to Jay, maybe, if there's enough room. Fucking gaggle of retards, aren't we?
In essence, yes.
Woo, I'm going that way.
Beep, 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 go on.
Go on.
Beep, 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 beep. Right, so now everyone's here. These are the bikes. Daytona, fucking 67R, or whatever you call it. 67R? ZX6R, Gixxer 600, Hornet 900, Hornet 900, CB 500F, and then right at the end, 2 MT-07s. Can we get a shot? Can we get all of them in? There we are. So yeah, we're gonna have some breakfast now.
After you, Thomas.
Thank you.
Oh,
I love a group ride.
We going right or left?
Right. You know, Americans think they're so good at riding bikes. They ain't shit. Only the last 30 seconds on roads like this.
The American mind cannot comprehend the British B road.
No, that is a very eloquent way of putting it, Tommy. I like it.
Thank you, thank you. That's so eloquently spoken.
I'm not. I swear like a fucking scissor.
Oh, fucking hell.
Why are we going this way, Dan? Why would you do this?
What the fuck kind of ride is
What
this?
is this shit?
I blame Dan and the fucker's two up as well. Why would you want to do this to yourself? Motherfucker. Oh, spray. I'm holding back. I'll get covered in spray.
Well, my bike doesn't need a wash now.
Mine already did.
Gonna charge down for the fucking slow 5. Oh, nice puddle, nice puddle.
Oh, fuck's sake.
Oh yes, I sit up there.
He's gonna get shit for this, isn't he?
Oh no!
Whose fucking idea was it to come down here? If I had a GS, I'd have just gone straight then. Just stand up, oh, come on.
Ah, Danny, you never heard of a shortcut before?
Oh, dogs. Got in.
Fucking hell. This is a road and a half.
Who fancies a swim? Fucking hell.
Why have we come this way?
I think it's flooded.
Why have we...
There's a car behind us, great.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, let him go.
Yeah, go on.
Nah, I want to... Hang on, can we not just wheel them along the footpath?
Oh, fuck's sake, we're turning round.
How deep is it?
Very, I'm guessing.
Be fair,
Oh my god, my feet are slipping!
Yeah, he's right on the hill. Go on. Who picked this road? It's his fault. And he's trying to look for his tank bag, I know. Huh?
Fucking hell.
So is everyone else walking their dogs, so where the fuck are they going?
The fun of sports bikes, eh? Oh yeah, it's top 10 lane here, isn't it?
Yeah, best road known ever.
Can have me vibes is gonna be the clean after this.
That's why I rode it up.
Oh yeah,
That's the point we don't use.
Nail in your tyre.
Oh, I don't think it's gone deep enough because it hasn't gone down at all.
Ah, fair play.
Yeah.
oh, squeezing together one row. There we go, we're There's 8 of us.
I love this road for overtaking though.
Even down Abington. Abington's good.
Yeah, I've been through there.
Yeah, I went there Thursday.
Yeah, I was down this way Thursday.
Oh, where'd you go?
Huh?
Where'd you go on Thursday?
It was my missus's birthday, so we went down to, you know, like the key bit in Maldon.
Oh, yeah,
like
kind of. Yeah.
Yeah, we went down there and a bit of lunch and that. But I hadn't taken her on the back in like a good year, so it's just getting used to that again.
Fair enough. I just realised, how's Danny going to know when the light goes green?
I'll beer with,
oh, yeah, true.
thingy. After you, Thomas. Little baby wheelie. Woo!
There we go.
I know, what sort of cunt in a van pulls up for a load of bikes and then does fucking 30?
He's pulling right. Great.
Good.
I'm probably going to go into the first then.
What's Roddy saying?
Something about fuck overtaking like that.
Especially when you're in a group.
I've just realised how dirty this car in front of you is.
Yeah. You just, no, what you mean is you just realised it's white.
Yeah. Oh, nice Ducati.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
QBS PowerSports.
I'm not good at this.
Thinking about it, I'm gonna go the other way. Oh, they've got one of them shitty electric fucking mopeds in there. I'm the part next to Riley. I'm just facing the other way because my side's down.
I'm parking over here.
There's another group out and about. Fucking hell, there's loads of them.
We're in their group chat. They just want to go get some cakes.
So, quite a few nice ones in here. Quickly show you. We've got an old old R3 here. I reckon I'll get a good deal on that because that's obviously one of the older ones. Then obviously got an R7, another R7, another R7, and then an R1 here. They haven't got an R9 yet. M2's over there. Sports bikes, MTs.
Is my bag shot, Will?
Yeah. After you, Tom. I think that's probably best put Tommy in front because where he's got the more sensitive microphone, I can't hit my bike then.
I had a feeling there was a reason you wanted me at the front.
I forget there's a Haldon's here as well now.
What do they do?
Kitchens.
No fairs.
And my cousin works for Haldon's.
Oh, does he?
Yeah.
Do you see that old car towing their trailer?
I was like, that's a weird concept for that sort of trailer.
That's the sort of car you'd put on the trailer, surely.
Yeah. What the fuck are the rims on that Kia Sportage?
I don't know, it's disgusting. But
Nah, fucking hell.
Which way are we going here?
I don't know, I've just...
Right.
yeah, we do want to go right, but I know. I don't know why he's going this way, but he's got maps on, so...
Unless
Yeah, the
one
ride
of them
through Maldon High
wants to
Street's quite nice.
fuel.
Dunno.
He's taking us Mackey's, boss.
Someone say so?
Hello.
I said he's taking us to Mackey's, boss.
Ah, that was really weird. My left ear.
Now we've got to go fill up a fucking hill, haven't we?
I ain't been down this road.
This is a fuck off hill coming up.
My left speaker's just died.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's really crackly.
Connection.
Yeah, I'm hoping so.
It happened when my dad's one. I think you guys scared those girls back there.
I saw that.
I didn't.
Fucking hell, there is a bit of a hill, isn't there? It's like Rayleigh.
That's worse.
You might get a bit far behind you, we're still behind that car.
Oh yeah?
There's bare people crossing.
Fucking car stops in the middle of the road.
Oh, there's like 400 people crossing.
There's a crossing down there, love. Go use that. My fucking
Yeah.
on.
I know, I nearly fucking had to hit her because she just fucking crossed right fucking near me as I'm trying to pass a fucking defender. It's clever, isn't it? Oh, we're caught with some lights,
That's right, we're here now.
yeah? Well, I don't know why my left ear keeps giving up and cutting back in, it's really annoying.
And she got
Give your
water in
helmet
it,
a little slap.
Okay, now I ain't been down here in a couple of years.
I forget when you got a loud exhaust, you can part the Red Sea. Oh, you're right.
That's right, I thought you were on that side.
I was until I found. Oh, fucking hell. Where's Tommy?
Right here!
In front of me.
Oh, how the fuck did I get past
I
you?
went round the roundabout twice because you were on about old or new and I wasn't sure if there was a different route you were going to go.
I was just like, oh, where the fuck is it? Yeah, I think we've got some catching up to do.
You reckon?
Yeah, I reckon they took off.
To be fair, they were pushing on a bit earlier, weren't they?
Yeah.
No, but they've all got into Sainsbury's, haven't they? Yes, we love incriminating footage.
I love it when my exhaust gets really hot after a ride like today, because my fucking, it pops like fuck.
Riley ushered past, so I'm now behind you, Mr. Will.